you get a rare privilege of going behind the scenes.
Makikilala ninyo ang mga iba't ibang tauhan sa harap at likod ng kamera na nagtimpla ng kulay, lumikha ng mga salita, gumuhit ng mga disenyo at nagbigay buhay sa mga samut-saring character sa romantikong telenovelang ito.
Kaya humanda kayong ma-in-love muli. Kilalanin sina Rafael, Michael at Angeline. Sabayan ninyo sila sa isang makulay na paglalakbay, ang paghahanap sa kanilang tunay na pag-ibig.
Join us as we take a look into Forever in My Heart.
Last September 13, a landmark press conference was held at Studio 3 of GMA Network Center to launch our newest telenovela, Forever in My Heart.
Tonight I need your sweet caress, hold me in the darkness. Tonight you calm my restlessness, you relieve my sadness. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I find it hard to believe we're in heaven. You're all I need
Actually, yung basic premise niya came from Regine Velasquez.
I created it. It was your concept. Oh yeah, I forgot. I saw a movie before about angels na pinanganak, tapos parang ganon. And then I got inspired and I thought maybe this would be a good story for a soap.
Nagsabi siya na gusto niyang, kapag gagawa siya ng soap, gusto niya yung parang soulmates. So, we took that basic premise at nag-isip na kami ng kwento na aakma doon sa basic premise na yon. Tamang-tama, years ago, meron akong nobela sa comics na tungkol sa dalawang taong nagkita sa ilalim ng lumindol sa Baguio. So, in-incorporate namin yun sa gusto ni Regine. Tapos, doon na umikot ang kwento ng Forever in My Heart.
My character's name is Angeline, and she is very romantic. She believes in soulmate, and so all her life she's been trying to find her other half, her soulmate. And yun yung umpisa ng ng adventure niya, finding her soulmate.
Ang kaibahan niya sa ibang soap, this is ultra romantic. Ang magpapaikot sa kwentong ito ay ang pag-ibig ni Regine Velasquez, yung paghahanap niya sa taong mamahalin niya.
Siguro in a way magkapareho kami ni Angeline, pareho kaming mahilig sa love story, pareho kaming romantic.
Unlike other shows right now in the network, we don't have special effects, we don't have flying creatures, we don't have mermaids. You know, what we have is a good story. So ang panglaban lang namin doon is to tell a good story and make it look good. And the only way to do it is to do it cinematically. You will see now, we really exerted effort in doing something na pwedeng pampelikula. When we go to a location and we do a big scene, lumalapit ang tao at ang unang tanong, anong pelikula ito? When they see it, parang they don't think it's a TV show, they think it's a movie. We have a very good, should I say, very fantastic production designer. Chito Sumera is, I mean, hands down, first time I worked with him, pero can't complain. You want romance, he'll give you romance.
Dito, hindi lang puro romance yung pinag-uusapan. We have also action here to show kung paano talaga pinagtatagpo-tagpo yung tatlong nag-iibigan na ito. Parang it's like a puzzle, parang it's like a maze.
Working for Mark Reyes, you have to anticipate everything. Kailangan anticipate mo yung pinakamalaking angulo na maibibigyan mo sa director mo.
Production challenges. From day one, it's been a challenge. From Bulacan to Tagaytay to Manila to Intramuros. We dared to go to the streets of Ongpin. Talagang extreme, all points of Luzon na puntahan na. Besides Metro Manila and Tagaytay, there was a requirement for heaven. So how do you create heaven on earth? how do you create heaven and make it look ethereal and romantic. And then second, yung location of a building that's going to collapse because of the earthquake. We did not use any CGI to create the earthquake. We had 2 shots that's CGI, the rest is practical movie magic. And medyo sadista ako, sabi ko, wag lang earthquake, pasabugin na natin ng Taal. So may ashfall pa. The running joke here is, the title should be Forevermore Rain because rain effect to death. Yung nagdudusa na ang production nung bumabagyo sa Tagaytay, tas may ashfall pa, naubusan ng arena kaya ginamit semento. Doon ko na-realize na, okay, this is difficult. But I really challenge the production to make this bigger or larger than life than the usual things that we've done in the past. Giving it extra quality for the audience to see na, ay, pinaghirapan to, ay, ginastusan to, ay, ang ganda.
Well, the character I play here is Rafael.
I play Michael, and I think what motivates him is something he's unaware of.
My character's name is Angeline.
Ako po dito si Chris.
Yung role ko dito, ako si Joey.
Ako yung type ng guy dito na laging inaasar yung kapatid ko. Pero masunuring bata, yun nga lang, sobrang kulit.
The api-api ones. Yun, laging inaapi, kinakawawa.
Ang character ko dito, medyo shady. May mga konting negosyo pero hindi diretso.
He's gone through life, although successful, somewhat unhappy. And so I think subconsciously he's really looking for, what motivates him is that he's looking for that soulmate as well. Although he doesn't know it up front, he doesn't see it.
She's very hopeful. She believes nga in soulmates. She believes that there's only one person for her. Yun yung mamahalin niya talaga, buong buhay niya. Matindi talaga yung paniniwala niya doon. Yun ang nagmo-motivate sa kanya para mabuhay.
What to me personally is a soulmate? A soulmate is your partner in life. Siya yung kapares na sapatos mo sa buhay.
I've always been told na it's just something you feel. You see somebody parang magkita kayo, mag-usap kayo, it just meshes in, parang nagsisink in lang kayong dalawa.
The story is really nice. It's romantic. It's exciting.
Yung soap na mapapanood nila dito ay parang pelikula.
The story is so wonderful. I mean, this is a true love story in the sense of the word.
Nakakakilig. Actually, ako pinapanood ko pa lang yung mga shoot namin before. Nakakakilig talaga siya. So
You guys will really, honestly enjoy this.
At saka makikita mo sa project, asesya namin. Napakagaang ng trabaho namin.